It's here. Okay, y'all, don't mind my makeup and fake tattoos. I still have one from last night. Whatever. This is where I'm at. I finally have all of my crap from this old RV ready to go. I'm about to load it up into the car. We almost had a little bit of an emergency and the brakes locked up on my RV when they were about an hour away. But it just got fixed, figured out, whatever, the kinks got worked out, and they're on their way again. So they will be here within the hour. And I can take all of my things and go to my new house, finally. This is a very bittersweet moment, if you will. The circumstances that put me here really sucked. And I'm not exactly excited about, you know, this isn't exactly what I had planned, you know. But I am very excited because this is the first time I'm really gonna live alone and have my own house that's just mine. So it'll be fun and I will have time to be by myself and heal and not be bothered by stupid, stressful boys. There it is. I just watched them drive in with the RV and they're going to drop it off while I hang out with Adrian because I'm fucking anxious and I'm gonna throw up if I have to watch them pull that in there. RV life may have been an interesting choice for me. I am a big giant baby and I am like sick to my stomach with anxiety right now. So I'm just walking. It's a little windy. But I'm just walking down there to check it out and I'm gonna throw up.
What you want to do is take your fourth point of attachment and just have it make contact with the ground and raise.
We are opening the slides and observing the damage, if you will. It's here! It's finished! My home is here. It's, a little bit of a mess, but overall things ended up going smoothly and it is parked and it is leveled and my little brother's a sweetheart and is gonna come help me clean and organize, unpack, etc, etc. Thank God. I was this close. There is a spot on the floor that is wet. I don't know if maybe I just accidentally left like a cup of water out or if my slide is leaking, but I hope it's not my slide. I'm gonna open some of these windows. It is musty in here. You getting cozy in your new home? You like it in here? What? All your stuff. You want a baby? You want the bunny? Oh, are you all tucked in? Do you want to get tucked in on the big bed? Oh, my heart. You want to try out the bed? It's like, no, bitch. Slowly getting things organized to visitors. This is all my stuff that's going to storage. It's all my work stuff that needs to get out of here. But Adrian came over to help me clean up a little bit and it's coming together. I forgot to take video of a lot of it, but me and Adrian got pretty much everything out in the living room and kitchen and bathroom area all organized and put up. It's looking really nice and coming together out there. And I'm in my own bed by myself, just going to bed late. I'm gonna sleep in late. I'm so excited.